Good noon, good afternoon, respected Battle team. I have visited after 10th May 2024 after a span of 30 days, almost a month. Last time, previously, we visited with the GFC monitoring team, and previously, that time, the contractor is installed RCC columns, ground floor. Right now, the formwork is being installed, steel reinforcement is being installed, the formwork is lubricated. The ground floor slab and beam formwork is completed on 6th to 7th June this month, and we are ahead of schedule more than a month at this activity. The slab is a total length of 52 feet 3 inches according to this approved structure drawings, and width is 27 feet at grid A to grid C. But when adding projections to this slab, the length exceed to 56 feet 3 inches from one end of the projection to the other end of the projection from axis 1 to 5, and the width is increased to 31 feet from one end of the projection to the another end. So this was being also completed. Total, we have 19 beams. Grid A to B, if I'm talking about grid A to B, so we have these B1 beams, which are 5 in numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each have 19.25 feet cut length, with the ring cut length is 4.5 feet, according to the bar bending schedule. Talking about grid A, so this grid A is actually, this grid A is from axis 1 to 5. We have another 4 number of GFB2 beams. These are GFB2 beams 1, 2, 3, 4. And it has been installed a total length of 57 feet with overlap as well, and with the ring size 4.5 feet cut length with seismic hooks installed inside it. When it comes to grid B, this is grid B. This is grid B according to structure drawings. We have another 4 number of GFB2 beams 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is installed from axis 1 to 5, 1 axis, 2 axis, 3 axis, 4, 5, of 57 feet cut length, including hooks, 90-degree hooks, including developmental length, with a ring cut length of 4.50 feet. When it moves towards veranda, I am standing on top of the veranda. Then this is grid C. At grid C, we have another 4 number of beams, which is GFB2 1, 2, 3, 4. Total length 57 feet, cut length with the ring size 4.50 feet. These two are GFB1 beam, which is installed on axis 1, this one right here, and another one is at that end side of the veranda. So this is also of 12.25 feet. So these GFB3 are 2 numbers with a cut length 12.25 and 4.50 ring side cut length. Total steel utilized in this GPS Bachameena school lot 1 scheme at border is 5.543 ton, 5543 kgs overall. That include man and reinforcement and distribution bars. Talking about the man reinforcement, this is the ground floor. This is the classroom slab. So the number of man bars, which is man bars laid first, handle the primary bending moment at this slab. Primary bar laid first because it takes the load, and handle the primary bending moment at this slab runs parallel to the shorter span. So it is cut length 19 feet, and it is total 88 numbers from axis 1 to axis 5. Similarly, distribution bar laid second. It's laid on top of the main bars, which handle load distribution and distribute the slab load, 6 inches thick slab load, to the main bars. And also it is called temperature reinforcement, which is 35 numbers run perpendicular to the main bars, which is laid perpendicular to the main bars of numbers 35 and cut length 60.50 cut length. It has been installed. Move towards veranda. At veranda, the main bars of cut length 13 feet is laid from axis 1 to 5, 88 numbers with distribution bars, which is temperature reinforcement, is 20 numbers, which is laid of cut length 60.50 feet, and which is placed on the opposite to the shorter span of cut length 60 feet, and numbers 20. The extra bars installed at overall slab is 384 numbers, which is placed at the top, at the middle of the beams, at every axis, and also at edge of the beam, which is 384 numbers overall, and it's been verified on the site. I will give an instruction to the contractor engineer to install one. This has been right now 95% work has been verified. Only thing is the contractor is installed cover blocks, but it would install electrical accessories, electrical conduits, fan boxes, light boxes as per the electrical drawings, and also with the installation of chairs to place the steel reinforcement accurately on its own positions within inside the slab. Moreover, extra bars L by 3 is given. Moreover, extra bar L by 3 is given. L by 3 is given. Addresses, because we have a bending moment in these junctions, so these addresses high bending moment and shear force is near the support. At every support, contractor is provided L by 3, which is the beam length, and I have checked it on site. And similarly, at the middle of the beam, and in this middle of the beam, we have provided 3 by 4 L of the beam. And this is the maximum bending moment at the midspan. So this is the overall completion of the slab and verification. And after tomorrow, I would allow contractor for pouring of RCC M20 grade of concrete with a mix ratio of 1:1.5:3 to proceed the P0 to kick off 9th number slab in this project. Thank you so much.